Ito yung common mistake ng maraming negosyante na dumadapa. Pakinggan nyo. Kasi sa umpisa, pagka maliit lang yung perang hawak natin, ang tendency natin mag-aral tayo. Kasi yun lang ang meron tayo na panghahawakan natin. Yung kaalaman natin. So we start a business, a small business. Dahil alam natin i-manage, mag-grow siya. Pero isipin mo naging successful ka. Lumaki yung hawak mong pera. And then, sabi mo sa sarili mo, expand ko tong business na ito kasi may hawak na akong pera. So nagmamadali ka na expand yung business mo dahil iniisip mo yung milyon na kinita mo doon sa unang try mo, naging successful ka, multiply mo dahil sa hawak mong pera. Ang question, nag-grow ba yung ability mo to manage something bigger? Because if your ability did not grow, it doesn't match the kind of growth you envision because of the money that you have, then you will fail. Kasi what matters is your ability. If your organization will not be able to handle the kind of growth that you envision, your cash flow will not be able to handle the kind of growth that you envision, then you will fail. The principle is always, kaya mo ba? Kaya ba ng leadership mo? Kaya ba ng management team mo? Kaya ba noong organization mo? Kaya ba ng ability? Maaaring sinasabi mo ngayon, kaya ng pera mo. Pero kaya ba ng ability?